What if you can click copy a video and make $50 to $300 in a blink of an eye? And the best thing about this is that you can do this as many times as you like and continue to make hundreds of dollars in just a few minutes. We know it sounds crazy, but look at all of these payments already made by our platform for today. Everyone from absolutely everywhere around the world has been making real money from our method for today, and after today's video, you're going to be one of them. With one click, you can get paid $50, and when you do 10 clicks, you can earn up to $500. It's insanely easy and the most perfect strategy for beginners who want to start making money online pronto. Now, this method is 100% free, so you won't be made to invest anything or pay for anything. Imagine having an extra $500 paid straight into your account. Imagine how your life would be. Maybe you can get your dream house, your dream car, go on your dream vacation, buy yourself or your loved one a present, maybe pay off your debt or save that money. You can do literally anything. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First of all, we want you to take a look at this Facebook video right here. And with these videos, we're going to make a lot of money online. Now, we want you to go on this website called Motion Den, and to get to their website, just type in motionden.com. And we've talked about this website before, so if you've been a subscriber for a long time now, you're probably already familiar with this website and what it does. But if you aren't, then we will give you a quick rundown of it. So basically, Motion Den is an online video maker, so you can make videos on here and it basically does all of the work for you. This is what this website is supposed to do. It's going to help you create videos like the videos we see on Facebook. So not only is today's video an awesome new video copy pasting strategy, we are also going to introduce a brand new Facebook strategy as well, and we've used Facebook a couple of times too, so we know that you guys are going to very much enjoy all of this. Anyway, what we want you to do on Motion Den is sign up, so click on Get Started right here, and as you can see, you can continue with Google or Facebook or just with your email, and you're going to choose sign up with email, and then you'll be asked to fill this up: first name, last name, email address, and password, and then hit sign up. Right now, you should find yourself inside your account, and right away, you'll see all of the video templates that this website has prepared for you. So whatever it is you're looking for, it'll be on here. As you can see, there are 3 template categories that you can choose from: standard, industry, and seasonal. Under standard, you have ads, intro, outro, events, promo, and communications. Under industry, we have all of this, and it's a lot, as you can see. And then under seasonal, you obviously have all of the holidays under here, so you can even make videos according to seasons, which we think is pretty awesome. Now, we want you to look over here and then select on like the Facebook logo. So this area, all templates are already made according to the Facebook standards or size. And you can still choose from any of the categories if there's anything that you want to make in particular. So it says instant Facebook video templates. Choose from 78 or more free Facebook video templates available for instant customization and download. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So let's get into a real life example here. So for example, we're going to choose this template right here. And as soon as you click on it, you're going to see like a preview and such. And as you can see, it's very nicely made. It's very neat. It looks like it was made by a professional, which is perfect. Just click on edit this video and then boom, you can proceed to editing your video. So you can change text just like this, add audio, add some variants if you want, just like that. Really do anything that you would like to do. Once you feel like you've done enough or you've done what you want and you think it's all set and ready to go, you can go ahead and just click on make video right here. So once again, you can use this website to create videos that would look like it was made professionally, that would look amazing on Facebook. Now we want you to go on quickandgigs.com, and we've also already talked about this website before, but that was for another strategy. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use this website by making great money from video and animation. So just click on video and animation right here, and then you'll be brought to this page where you'll see all of the people posting their listings about video animation. And what we want you to do is look at the left side of your screen and look for short video ads and click on that. Now look at all the people earning $550, $270, $250, and so on, and pretty soon you're going to start earning money just like that. This is how much people are earning just by creating Facebook videos, and that's how much we're going to start earning by using MotionZen to complete those Facebook videos. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So you're then going to sign up for a completely free account and click register. Then this will pop out, so fill it out, your username, your email, your password twice, your phone number, and the country you're from, then company name, which is optional. Then you can register and boom, you officially have a Quick and Gigs account just like that. You can immediately start posting your job listing. Wait till people avail of your service, create bomb Facebook videos with MotionZen, literally just by copy pasting videos, and boom, there you have it. $300 into your PayPal account or whatever preferred payment method you have. So make sure you try this out and let us know in the comments down below how it goes for you. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.